welcome back to another video. Today we are going to unbox some products from Romwe and SHEIN. I started ordering products from Romwe and SHEIN last year because of the pandemic. To share to you guys how they look like. Okay, let's start. The first one is this. Oh my gosh, it looks small. I normally wear medium, but this one looks small to me, and it's so cute though, but come on. It looks so small, but let's try. The next one is, I like this one. Sleeve and at the bottom, I don't know what they call this. And this, look, so there you go. Okay, let's try this on. The next one is this one. Ooh, look at this. It's a t-shirt. It's a long sleeve. Okay. I am more comfortable wearing t-shirts and leggings or shorts. Let's try it on. But this one is a dress. There you go. Oh, it looks so small. Oh my gosh. I ordered it like this is a large one, but it looks so small. Oh my god, but I like it. It's kind of a little bit see-through, but it's okay because it's summertime. And yeah, look, it looks so small. Okay, let's try it on. The next one, another dress from SHEIN. I'm getting so excited right now. This is my favorite color, dirty pink. It's so cute. I want to try on now. I'm so excited. Look, and yeah, it's so cute. It comes with a button like this at the back, and yeah. Okay, let's try it on. This time, oh, can I open it? The next one is this, a jeans. I ordered a jeans. Oh, I cannot open it. What's wrong? Oh, zipper is broken. So let's open it like this. Oh. This is a mom jeans. High-waisted mom jeans. I'm so excited to try this one. So cute. I like the color. It's washed blue, and yeah, I like it. Let's see. Yeah, it looks big. Let's see how it looks like when I try it on. large. I normally wear medium ones, but still looks small to me. I don't know. And this one is the skirt. This is the skirt. It looks big. Let's try it on. Let's go on next one. A short. Oh, I like it. I like the short. Look. It looks big, but it's here. Look. And this one is size large because I know they're short, it's small. That's why I went up. There you go. Okay, let's try it on. And I saw this one and it looks so cute. Comes already with a hard case box. Look at this. It looks big, right? This one is good when you're outside. All covers your eyes. Right? I like it. Here, look. So cute. I like it. Yeah. Okay, and the next eyeglass is this one, the round one. I actually bought this one for my son. He said he wants the round one. I like this one. The thing that I can say about SHEIN and Romwe is that some clothes fit small, some clothes fit big. So it's better to check the reviews of each product before you order it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please click subscribe, hit the bell button for you to be updated for the new video. Bye! Thank you for watching.